Okay, welcome back, guys. So today we're working on a 2012 Ford Taurus, and I'm going to show you a trick on how to change a strut on a Ford Taurus. So the trick is there is no trick. You have to remove all of this. I've seen people making videos where they take and they compress the spring in there, and then they just kind of half-ass it. No, you need to take out the bearing. You need to take out the ball joint, and that's the way you remove the strut. You cannot take and do anything else. And if you are, then you're just being lazy. All it takes is a couple more bolts just to remove the bearing, remove the tie rod end. Be careful when you're removing the tie rod end because you have to take and use an Allen key and a bolt to get it off. You can go ahead and try as many tricks as you want, but if you want to make your life just easy, just remove it all how you're supposed to, as it calls. Don't try and cheap out or like cut corners and compress the spring and then pull the strut up and then do all that bull crap. Just remove the bearing, remove the axle, remove the ball joint, remove the spindle, and you'll have your strut out.